People conduct more than 3.5 billion searches every day on Google. How do you make sure they see your business? The secret is with search engine optimization, SEO for short. SEO is about getting your website seen on search engines like Google. Good search rankings are important because consumers see the top results as the most trustworthy. Studies show that the first 5 search results on Google get nearly 70% of all clicks, and a whopping 75% of local mobile searches result in a store visit within 24 hours. If you aren't showing up at the top, you're missing out. So, what can you do? Make sure your website is mobile friendly and loads fast. Provide information on your website that is relevant to your customers. Ensure your Google My Business page is claimed and verified. Create and promote a blog on your site that offers helpful content to customers. Stop hiding from your customers. Start your SEO strategy today.